What's up everyone, I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and today we're going to be taking a look at a super easy way to use your Bitcoin to get gift cards.
Hodl the Bitcoin.
Alright, so we are checking out Coincards today. Coincards is a website, as I said, where you can utilize your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies if you happen to have them to get gift cards to make real world purchases. Right now they're in Canada and the US, and they are obviously, from the looks of this page, looking at expanding even more. Now, before we dive into kind of the overview of the website and everything, I wanted to let you guys know that this website, I used this all the way back in 2014. I was part of a campaign where I was trying to live on Bitcoin for an entire month. And back in 2014, that was no easy feat. But thankfully, with Coincards, they made it a lot easier. I think I was one of their first customers ever, and so it's really cool to see these guys still around, still kicking, still growing, and still providing this service to Bitcoiners kind of around the globe now. They're starting to expand. So anyways, let's take a look an overview of what the website is, then we'll do a transaction and see how easy it is to grab a gift card here. So right now they've got Canada and the US listed here. I'm up in Canada, so I'll be clicking Canada, and this will take me to the Canadian page, coincards.ca. And so let's just get an overview of the site itself. So up top, you obviously have drop down for different markets. You've got a Bitcoin price ticker where they get their price from, exchange rates for other coins if you're going to use those. You know me, I'm a bit of a Bitcoin maximalist, so I obviously don't have as much interest in that, but all good, all good. We're going to take a look at the menu here. So they have different types of gift cards. You can get electronic or physical gift cards delivered to your home. And then certain gift cards have a quick turnaround time, quick delivery, or you can just go and look at all of their gift cards. They have breakdowns by category, things like electronics, entertainment, fuel, gaming, grocery, a ton of stuff here. You can top up your mobile phone using Coincards. They break it down by brands. They do have a blog. They have some different guides here and, general help as well. They've really got gift cards for just about anything you could imagine. And a couple things I wanted to touch on here. This can be helpful when it comes to privacy of transactions as well. So you might be wondering why. Well, when you get a gift card, all that can be seen is that you've made a Bitcoin payment. But once you have that gift card, it's not in any way, shape, or form specifically linked to you, so that it kind of obfuscates any of your spending habits, so on and so forth. I would, to add to that, if you're a privacy buff, other things that you can do are using VPNs, doing CoinJoin, things like that, to further kind of obfuscate the links between you and your coins and maintain your privacy. But besides the fact, either way, this can be one of many tools in your arsenal of privacy. Now, as I said, they've been around since 2014. I've always enjoyed using these guys, and they've just got tons and tons of gift cards. Just to give you a quick idea, if I click on all gift cards here, I can be scrolling basically forever. There's just so many. But yeah, lots and lots and lots of different gift cards, and it'll keep loading and rolling down. But it's really anything you would care to buy is probably on here in one way, shape, or form. So obviously the Canadian store will be slightly different from the US store, but just tons of selection. So what I would like to do is I would like to purchase an Amazon gift card. I imagine that's one of their busiest, most commonly used ones. So I can see them in just down below here, but if I wanted to, I could do a quick search for Amazon, and then when I go and click through there's a little drop down that will show anything that applies. But if I click through, I can see that there's physical delivery and there's electronic delivery, which would just give me the pin to put in on my Amazon account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy an Amazon gift card for Amazon.ca, since I'm on the Canadian store here. So I click on the card in question, and I need to choose an amount. Okay, so 25, 50, 100, 500, or a custom amount. Now it does have a little disclaimer saying like, hey, we need whole dollar amounts here. Anything that's less than a whole dollar, it'll be rounded. So I'm just gonna pick up a $50 gift card, and that'll just fill it for me. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add it to my cart. So that looks all good. I can close this and keep shopping. I can view my cart, or I can go to checkout. So let's just view the cart really quick. And that takes me here. Now I should mention before, I've already created an account here, which was literally just an email address, a name, and setting up a password. Now I'm seeing here that as I said, the card is for $50. There is a fee of $1, and there's GST in Canada for 5 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to the checkout. And here we go. So all they're going to require from me is a name, my province, and my email address, which I've already set up there. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in. If I could spell my name. There we go. And then I have the option to subscribe. Sure, Mike, I'll subscribe to your newsletter. If you have any specifics about your order that you'd like to note, feel free to do so. And then it gives a summary of the order here. Once again, you pick your payment method. Now they have BTC Pay, which is basically Bitcoin, Lightning, all of that, and all of the altcoins. Or if you're using a stable coin, you can click for that. I agree to all terms and conditions, and I'm going to proceed. And they use BTC Pay server in order to put these payments through. So I'm going to be using a Bitcoin wallet on my phone. I've done a video on it before. It is called Blue Wallet. Now I'm not going to be showing you guys specifically how to utilize Blue Wallet because again, that's a tutorial in itself, which I actually, as I said, have already done. So I will link below to my tutorial on Blue Wallet, but just know that I'm constructing a Bitcoin transaction using that wallet in particular, but any Bitcoin wallet will do the trick here. So as you see here, we're on a BTC Pay portal that allows us to pay. If you are not paying with main chain Bitcoin, you can click here and it gives you options of how to pay. I really am stoked that they have Lightning enabled here. Definitely awesome to use for anybody interested, but I'm going to be doing a regular Bitcoin transaction today. Now, all I really need to do is if I'm scanning with my phone, then I'm going to be hitting send and scanning the QR code. But if you have a wallet on your computer, you can also hit open in wallet and it will open a Bitcoin wallet that is natively on your computer at the time. So as I said, I'm scanning the QR code here with my phone. It constructs the transaction, it shows me everything that I need to know. Everything looks good. I'm comparing the amount of Bitcoin on the screen here to the amount showing in my wallet, and it's all the same. And so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to put that through and send off the transaction. Done. Oh, nice and quick. And I can see that the invoice has been paid and everything looks wonderful. Okay, so this is what we see once you've sent payment. Payment status is confirming, meaning that once there's a confirmation on the Bitcoin blockchain, this will be officially confirmed. Again, it gives me my breakdown, $50 gift card, $1 in fees. There's 5% GST. Okay, payment method, I use BTC Pay. Bitcoin payment details, I have the address that was sent to, the amount paid, the exchange rate, all of that. And I can see that the gift card is going to be going to my email and I should be receiving that shortly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a browser window on my other screen and I'm going to open up my email so that I can see when that comes in. And once it does, we will take a look at how to use this. I do have an email that says your order is received. It does say, and I'm just doing this off screen in case there's any sensitive information in my email, but it does say that I've got an order for an Amazon gift card for $50. Again, gives me my breakdown, gives me my information that I provided to them, which was just name, province, and email. And once that confirms, then I should have access to my gift card. Now, in the meantime, let's just pop back to a few things. We're going to just take a look at the My Account section and what's in there under orders. And we should be able to see the details there as well. And all it says is that it's just awaiting confirmations, and I can view that specific order if I like. And again, all of the details that we saw before are all sitting right there for you. My dashboard in general, I can see everything I need right here. And they do, I should mention, as we're waiting for this to confirm, they do have a referral program, which allows you to get a percentage on any referrals that utilize the service and end up buying gift cards as well. They have wish lists, they have tons of different stuff in here, as well as you can actually export for a tax report if you're spending a lot of Bitcoin and you're worried about those capital gains and trying to track them. Well, they can export that for you too. So super convenient. So I'm going to stop the video here. We will jump back in as soon as that confirms, and we'll go from there. All right, so my Bitcoin transaction on the main net has confirmed. And at this point, a couple things have happened. Actually, three things. I got an email saying that my order was completed. I can also see the updated order in my account under orders, and I can see that the order number on June 1st is now processed. And I got a second email, which looks like this. I've just blotted out the claim code, but it gives me, hey, thank you for your recent purchase. It is our pleasure to send you awesome gift cards. Don't delete this message. You'll need the gift card claim code below. You may want to print a copy of this message for easy reference later. And so it basically just gives you the claim code, which I can go now to amazon.ca, input that, and I'll have $50 accessible there to purchase what I like. So the whole process took a few minutes, other than, obviously explaining it during the video, but other than that, very, very quick. You pick your gift card, you make your payment, and then you get your gift card to your email quite quickly. And you also have the option of getting physical gift cards delivered to you. So all in all, again, I've been using these guys for years. Super easy, super convenient. And I've got to say kudos to Mike and his team at Coincards for providing such an awesome service for us Bitcoiners that have been around for quite some time using it. And I hope you guys will check it out as well if you're in the US or if you're in Canada. Available both places, and hopefully more places soon. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. If you want to help with the show in another way, you can always drop me a Lightning Network tip at my tippin.me page. That is tippin.me/@BTC Sessions. With that, I'm out. Have yourselves a wonderful evening, a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you next time for your daily session.